Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? This is an emergency update for all Stellar XLM holder. You know why this is an emergency? Because my brother, the XLM price this time last 24 hours is very badly fails down. You can see here the change occur minus 3.51% in the last 24 hours. This coin is fails down. So therefore, I will tell you to this is an emergency to you never lost. But you can see my friend last 7 days chart 0.19% increase, and last 1 hour this time you can see here they again starting going up for now. So it's a really great news for all of you. And what my friend emergency, I already tell you about this too. They fell us down from last 24 hours. So therefore I make this video to understand better now, and everybody is be safe from the loss. So I also share my opinion in this video and predicate this coin to what's going on. Kindly holder this time you can see here, please subscribe ABS6 channel for more this type informative videos. Last 7 days chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely showing my brothers to Stellar XLM is face down. You can see my brothers especially. Yes, this time if you could say my brother, the continuously process you can see after a jump they fails down, and after a jump they fails down. Every cryptocurrency is doing in this moving in this circulation. So therefore I will tell you my brothers to try to understand to after fails they take a very huge jump now, and like that exactly my friend last 24 hour change occurred just in only negative. But if you know, if you remember the last 1 hour chart, so it is and it is gone and positive now. So therefore I will tell you to I hope in upcoming time Stellar XLM price will be increased now, and they will recover all lost now. So if they recover, then my brothers, my all viewers, please try to understand to they will make you a rich man now. But this is possible to have a holder or starting holding they never lost. So if they want to never lost, then absolutely you need to hold and wait for the end of this month. If you just only wait for the end of this month, then exactly they will give you a 2x to 10x my friend profit now. So let's see to what they do. But I know my brothers, my prediction is going to be positive now. So I hope my friend in upcoming time they will wake up and they will go off. So therefore I will tell you to you need to hold. My opinion is that to please hold. You also share your opinion in the comment box. This will be very good now. So thanks for watching Stellar XLM holder. Hope you understand this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification.